It snowed overnight. It's so light and fluffy. We are here with Abby, Cookie Monster, and Elmo. Let's see how much it snowed. Oh, wow! It's just to the tops of their heads. Let's spell snow in the snow. S N O and W. I think we have enough snow to make a snowman. Let's go, Sesame Street friends. We rolled and rolled the snowballs across the yard, and we were able to make a little snowman with 3 balls. There's the head, the middle, and the bottom. We use sticks to make eyes, nose, mouth, buttons, and arms. We have so much fun when it's Christmas time. Let's have a look at what we did to prepare for Christmas. We went to a tree farm and picked out the perfect Christmas tree. We loaded it onto the green wagon and fit it inside our vehicle. Then we went home and we made some of our favorite Christmas mix with cheese crackers and pretzels. And then we made some oranges with mulling spices. It makes the room smell so good. And then we made gingerbread cookies and gingerbread houses from homemade dough. Our cookies were in the shapes of stars, trees, and snowflakes. And then it was time to decorate the gingerbread houses with candy and icing. There must have been some animals that could smell our baking outside because we had some unexpected visitors. Fluffy raccoons. And little kitten Lala wasn't sure what to think. Well, it's time to get back outside and play in the snow and get some fresh air. Being outside is so important for our health. Thank you and goodbye.